is inside. Now the step-by-step working of the Mendel's experiments. But before that, just look at this diagram. Now this is a very simple diagram of the Mendel's experiments. So this is the P1, which is the parent generation, in which the homozygous means both the same tall alleles, and this is the short one. So this is all the tall one in the F1 generation, and then in F2 generation we got like the gametes from both parents. So we got all these combinations: tall, and short. I will explain that later. And then lastly we got this ratio in the F2 phenotype. Ratio is this one. So this is the 3 tall and 1 short. So step number 1, Mendel chose pea plants because they grow fast, have clear traits, tall, short, green and yellow, and can also self-pollinate and be controlled easily. In step number 2, he created pure plants, the pure tall, which are always tall, which he showed with TT capital, and then the pure short, always short, which is the small tt. Now the step number 3, the first cross, which is from parent to F1 generation. So in this, the capital TT and the small tt, they mix. So in F1 generation, the result was all plants became capital T and small t, this type of combination. And then all look tall. But important, shortness did not disappear here. It was just hidden. Now in step number 4, the second generation, which is F1 multiplied by F1. Or you can say that capital T small t combination multiplied by capital and the small t combination. Now because of these combinations form. So this is the capital T, this one, tall also. And the capital T small t, this is also tall. Capital T small t, this is also tall. These three are tall. And then the small tt, this is short. So these are all the combinations in the F2 generation. Now the step number 5, the final observation. The ratio was 3 tall, ratio 1 short. But the 3 tall have these combinations. So capital T small, capital T small t. And the short one, always the small tt. So it shows that traits separate and recombine, and recessive traits can reappear. Now the step number 6, the main rule of the law of segregation, because of all the stuff happens. So we got the law of segregation, which means, or which says that the two trait factors or alleles separate during reproduction. So each parent gives only one.